Why is it important to conserve water resources? Water conservation is necessary to keep water pure and clean while also protecting the environment. Conserving water entails being responsible for our water supply and using it wisely. Uh, we must learn how to keep our limited supply of water pure and free of pollution because everyone depends on it for survival. So remember, turn off the water while brushing your teeth.